Thought I heard somebody say they was a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they was a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they want a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they want a breadwinner.
We're gonna check out the news for this week. So Sunday and Monday wasn't much news. Had a little USD news, some AUD news coming out. Well, it came out 10:30. See what type of reaction we got.
I can't even see you, man.
You can't see my screen?
Oh yeah, I can see you.
Alright, cool. So USD news is pretty good. So you might see a little push from the dollar. I mean, we're going to go over to the charts in a few, see what happened. Got some more AUD news tomorrow morning, 3:30. USD news tomorrow morning. The Euro news on Wednesday. USD news Wednesday as well. And if you guys don't know, I'm pretty much just looking at the red and the orange folders. The red folders are going to be high impact news, and the orange folders are going to be kind of like medium. And then you have the yellow folders, which is like low impact. And then typically your gray or silver folder is going to be in like a bank holiday. So we got some more Euro news on Wednesday and USD news on Wednesday as well. GBP news on Thursday to look out for, and CAD, and we also have some CAD news on Friday. So look like at the beginning of the week we're gonna have some USD news. So I guess we can look out for that pair, and then towards the end you're gonna have some CAD news, which you'll be looking out for high volatility on those pairs. So let's head over to the dollar. What?
We're gonna go over the watch list. See how this week gonna play out. I mean, for me, I'm not really gonna force it. I'm just gonna.
Yeah. So
What's going on?
exactly. So it's pretty much my watch list for the week. Like I was saying, I got the dollar that I watched, then Euro AUD, Euro GBP, and then the rest of the GBPs. That's pretty much what I watch. But for the dollar, we go over to the bar chart. As we talked about last week, the dollar was kind of in its consolidation last week, this consolidation area. And then we kind of got like a push out of it, which I thought we probably would have got a retest right here, which it looked like it was trying to do. But I mean, I guess it wasn't enough buyers in the market, so it pushed back down to this area was previously consolidating. So I mean, we probably gonna see some more downside because of these sellers right here. So I mean, we bounced right here once, came down, bounced right here again, came down, bounced right here again. So I mean, we might be seeing some weak dollar this week. As you can see, we back right here to this area. So I'm expecting it to kind of continue back down to this area somewhere right here. So yeah, we probably gonna see a weak dollar this week based off of technical analysis.
Yeah. I got what I'm gonna be looking at this week. I'm gonna do some I might go ahead and trade gold this week. And I'll probably go ahead and also look at some more of these exotic pairs.
You wanna look at the gold chart right quick? Or?
Let's do it.
Let's see.
So me personally, let me see again.
Just
You on the Zoom? You on the Zoom call?
Oh no,
What you about to do? What you about to do?
I ain't see it. What is that?
so we basing off of the dollar. We're saying that the dollar is going to be weak this week. Probably could see some upside on gold this week because gold is paired with the dollar. Gold is leading the dollar. So if the dollar is weak, then you can expect gold to continue up, which we are at a level where gold.
Which is
About the,
so Larry, I'm gonna keep going. Even from this weekend, Dylan asked me what gold was going to do. We really could have hopped in this, honestly. But I told him which area I think it will go up to.
are you trying to hop in down here or just trend or something like that or for this?
So at 1890, I felt like that was a great support level for it. Also, obviously, you're crossing the trend line. That's easy, but I'm not even thinking. He said, let him in. But like I said, like I told him even down there, I feel like ultimately.
Oh, I didn't see all these people waiting. I don't know how to take. I'm gonna have to figure that out.
Yeah.
Yeah, if y'all ever waiting in the little lobby thing, just say something in the Telegram.
Yeah, just hit us up because he not tech savvy.
Nah, man. Yeah,
so
What y'all saying? Like,
he was talking about gold, so he was saying, you know.
Remember when you asked me this weekend what I think gold was going to do?
Yeah, what it look like.
But even from this weekend, if you would have got in Sunday on the bar, I told him I felt like it was going. I really honestly feel like
I did. I caught it on demo. I got no buy on.
right. But we it's just we were just having a conversation on it because I really feel like it's gonna go up to like the 1980, 2000 area, like right now for a little bit for this week. Right now, I wouldn't hop in now because obviously it's at a level that I feel like will cause some rejection, so I wouldn't get in right now. I would wait on it. Yeah.
That level right here.
I'll be going ahead and wait on the retest because I mean ultimately gold to me is an uptrend. So I don't really see much news or much anything this week from what we looked at that's going to cause it to go ahead and
reverse.
I mean, it was a great hard retest is what I told Dylan. I felt like it was a hard retest. So, which is cool, like you know what I'm saying. And then, like the market's gonna do what it's gonna do, but you can't I mean, you can't really predict it. Honestly, it's like you gotta just go by what it's doing. So for now, ultimately, I see gold going up. And we gonna go ahead and play with gold. Probably get more entries when I feel like it's a great entry.
Yeah, that would have been a great entry right there. If you
It would have been great. We would have been. It would have been lovely.
Yeah.
Dealing up in a demo, so.
Yeah, that would have been nice, man. Man, why we got you on the phone, man? You got to talk about the peso, man. Everybody want to know, bro.
All I want to know is that with peso. All right, cool. So. Okay, so I mean, Mr. Peso here. Let's see. I'm looking on your screen, so
We got in somewhere up here, right?
yeah. I mean, I'm up there at that level there, so. Okay, cool. And we had a student tell me that she made 70 off peso this morning. Yeah. 70 quick off peso.
Great risk and reward too, man. 1 to 5.
That was this morning.
Oh, this morning?
Yeah. On the real account, she put in on the demo. When I first called her, she put in on the demo once. And then she made 70 off the drop. I think it's more. So.
Right.
Shout out to the group. You there?
They just want to know what your trade breakdown on the peso.
Trade breakdown.
Yeah.
So, I mean, let me go ahead and break down how I did this. You gonna I mean, it was really uneven, really like. So we got.
Let it go. I'm gonna have a golf 7 in the morning. Look at this shit. I ain't no cap in my rap.
You want me to
You want to make it over?
You want me to share my screen? That'll be easier.
Oh yeah, I can do that. Hold on, let me see. iPad more. There you go.
You ready?
Yeah. You gotta share your screen on it.
Okay.
Oh, matter of fact, I think I gotta stop sharing my screen.
You gotta. Hellsby got a show tonight. He just pulled up to the venue. Niggas trying to move, G. Copy way ahead of you, my nigga. I'm already posted. There's a great park outside. Shit look nice too. Yeah, somebody home. That John Black? Yeah, word. Man, that's just one of them little movies, bro. Think I'm finna let a bitch fuck up the link? Hell no. Alright, got it.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So Actually, I caught peso on 2 moves in 2 weeks. Okay, so from beginning, so really last week I was in a buy on peso. So what made me realize that I was gonna get in a buy long term. I had this level here drawn up already. Like ultimately, yeah, we see peso was like kind of on the little downtrend. All right, cool, but this level under here, like. So this, I feel like how I was looking at peso. All right, cool. All right, this used to me like I was looking at him like this. Okay, cool. So ultimately, you know, when the guy here it pushed up heavily, it's been on the downtrend lately. Okay, so cool. So after a hard push, I already had this right here. After a hard push, I know there's gonna be a retracement. Larry told me this is called hedging. So for the past couple of weeks, I've been catching.
Nigga can't hear you, son.
So for the past couple of weeks, I've been catching peso on a sell for the past couple of weeks before I hit this buy. But Larry taught me about hedging, which means that, you know, also I can catch buy opportunities. Plus, you know, when I'm long-term trading. So I had this level here, this purple level right here drawn up. And so when I knew peso broke through this level, obviously I knew he was coming to somewhere. So what I did was I went on a date just to see how he was looking. Okay, so cool. So that week, previously, you know, USD was doing good too as well. So USD was doing good. So at this level, I thought right here, like at this level here to the left, I started creating more support. So when I started creating more support, I hopped in a buy here after this last push. After it hopped up and then it pushed down and it created more support. So I hopped in a buy here. So, okay, cool. So I rolled my buy all the way here, probably all the way to here, to this level. Because that was my take profit level for the retracement on the buy. Because peso move a lot of pips when it does, you know, when it does like start to create momentum. All right, so cool. So once I started, when I saw it kept pushing up, I obviously knew it was pushing up to another key level to me. So what I did was I tried to scale down. So I tried to see where he was going. And so where he went was this next daily level here, which also connected with my trend line that I understood that it was connected. Okay, cool. So it's connected with a trend line and also it's hitting resistance at the same time. So In my head, it's like you know, it's just like a no-brainer to me because I see what it did here. I see what it did here. You know what I'm saying? Like, and so after it comes down here, okay, it came down, it didn't push through. So most people think that it's about to keep selling. Okay, cool, but it's still at this bottom part, it still created a little support. So it's not really, even though I had a strong candle, that don't mean it's really a strong. You know, that doesn't mean that it's really strong enough to push through this level here, which it didn't, and it came back here. You know, to kill some people belief in it or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Because now you're thinking, now, okay, it's about to buy. Okay, cool. But for me, I know, you know, I'm like, in my head, I'm already knowing, like, what time it is. So, not in this pair, I didn't get it up here, but in another pair, which is like, you know, the same thing like this, it's Euro MX, and I got it in right here. And still, right now, I'm in this pair right now. Just up here chilling. So now, they break down, when they come down here and break a key level for me. Now I understand that the sellers are strong enough in the market to break more key levels, which is when I called the call for the USD, which I'm in here right now, like, you know. And the same thing for ZAR. So I mean, that's how I just look at it, like just on briefly, like in a day, like just understanding where my support was, and understanding that at the support it wasn't breaking through the support. So even though the buys were strong, it wasn't strong enough to break through this support here, which was also ultimately connected to the downtrend. So I say, okay, cool. So now, you know, when I see constant rejection, that's when I put in a group chat. When I see constant rejection, that's when I'm gonna hop in, like, and ride the wave down, because I'm more of like a long-term trader. If I am gonna trade, like, so. But I mean, yeah, just simply, like, that's how I called that trade out last week. And it's still pushing, like, so. I got a big take profit level right here, so that's really why I know it's gonna go. This level already was broken through, so we good. Here, it's still at this level. It still can push up. Like, when I at this level join up, and I said each of these levels, I feel like that's what price is gonna either reverse or go through. Like, so I'm just gonna monitor them for right now. No stress over these.
That's the level price gonna react there.
Yeah. And same thing with my guy here. He had it. I mean, I took like when he had this big old drop, I called this big old drop. When I caught this big old drop, I took profit a little, like right here when I saw price going up. But of course, you know it's gonna come up for a retest. We know that. So now we're here. It's another pair I called out in the chat that I'm feeling. I mean, these pairs right now are still bullish, so it's like, you gotta understand that it's still bullish. Okay, so now I understand that, but Overall, if DJPY, I'd probably be like this. We're gonna try to catch him. We're gonna try to catch him on like this. We understand. I mean, to me, he's a downtrend. So, okay, cool. So that's how I'm looking at him. For now, London session. Might do some scalping on GBP to see. See how they're doing.
These might have a big move this week. They did a lot of consolidation.
Oh, you already know. You already know.
A lot of consolidating.
You already know. Should try to have a big week right with him. You know, scaling like. Yeah, that's how I look. I mean, that's how I look at peso. Or if you want to continue to share your screen and go over all the other people.
Yeah. Just hold up. You got to make me the host. Let me do that right.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you made me the host again?
Let's check it out. There you go.
All right.
For each of these things, like I got gold, man. I got gold going up.
Yeah, man. That makes sense. That makes sense. Technically, I mean, yeah, technically.
Technically and fundamentally.
Yeah. Same thing with GU. How you saying
Mhm.
gold going up? I see GU going up, or I mean, right now as we're looking at GU, GBP, USD. Like we saying, the dollar is weak, so I mean, we had a significant level. Same thing with gold as well. I think gold kind of broke its level already, but GU, we're gonna be watching GU as it approaches level. It's kind of approaching it with a little momentum as we're looking on the 4-hour time frame. I mean, it's a small little 4-hour count, but it's still going, still in the upward trend. We could get that break tonight, honestly.
Yeah.
So
Or you could
if y'all want to
get that break tonight, or you could get that fake out with Franklin and they'll begin the Asian section. So
yeah, definitely. So I mean, the safe thing to do if you want to trade this is just to wait, cause like I said, there's definitely sellers right here, which you can see right here. It bounced right here. Then you got another bounce right here, another sell. So, like you saying, we anticipating the dollar to be strong. So, what we'll wait on is a setup like this. I mean, the conservative trade, the safe trade is a breakout, a 4-hour candle breakout, retest right here.
If we retest, y'all, oh my goodness.
And then continuation up. I mean, you're gonna have your take profit. This is gonna be a TP1 right here.
If we break out that and come back,
that's gonna be a TP.
Y'all.
That's bad, Chris. It's a good TP1 right there. And then TP2 gonna be, all the way to the top of this. And then we gonna, let your winners run. But I mean, yeah, that's what we waiting on. To see a break right here.
Hey, boy.
And retest, and then we gonna just ride it on up. But
I mean, we're gonna call it, when we getting in, really.
Yeah, we're gonna call
most
it.
Of these GPPs, we probably mess with around 3:30, 4:30.
Yeah, we're gonna have everything drawn up. We're gonna put it in. I mean, if y'all see it and we don't, then y'all do y'all thing,
Y'all see it and y'all want us to make sure, just it ain't nothing to send it.
Yeah, send it in the chat. Yeah.
It is up too. It's the same thing. We got y'all.
So I mean, GN. I mean, like I told y'all last week, they all pretty much move the same. That's why I trade them. GBP, NZD. I mean, same thing. We had a lot of consolidation last week. Well, it was just moving in this little range. So I'm kind of just waiting to see which way it's gonna break. I'm thinking, GN going up, GU going up. So typically you're gonna get the same reaction out of all the GBP pairs. So you might see the same thing happen with GN, where we're gonna get that break and then retest of this breakout and then continuation up, which is gonna be a big move, similar to that move.
This week I expect a big move from the GBPs because it's been consolidating for a little too long.
Yeah. And that consolidation might have happened because, like, I don't know if y'all remember, like 2-3 weeks ago, we had a big move by the GBPs where they dropped. So I mean, probably just getting that consolidation of sellers and buyers trying to, win the battle. But it's just how it be. You gotta wait.
True, dog.
So we already got that break out of this consolidation on GJ. So what you can see, the consolidation right here.
Got the break.
Kind of got the breakout already. Might get a retest, don't know. I mean, you just gotta see how everything. But the true break is gonna be this level right here. That's gonna really tell you if it's gonna go up. Well, I got this dark blue at. That's what it's gonna really tell you if it's gonna actually break and continue up, because you got a whole lot of room to run if you break this, retest, and then run up here. That'll be your first take profit right there, and then your second take profit gonna be up to the top, similar to GU. They all kind of move the same. They all gonna move the same pretty much. GBP CHF, still waiting on a breakout of that. Still moving in this little range. So I'm waiting to see if it's gonna break up here or if it's gonna break down here, and I probably might just take it out this trend, to be honest with you, if it do break down here. But
I'm feeling a sell. I'm honestly feeling a sell.
You feeling that test of that trend line at the bottom? You see him,
I'm
huh?
feeling that. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, he is. He's stagnant right now. I'm not gonna lie. He might be actually coming down to gather some more momentum to go up. That's what it's kind of
Right.
looking like you want to do.
Right.
But, like I say, I don't know. You gotta kind of wait. Wait for them momentum moves and kind of get in when they happen.
Get in where you fit in, man.
Yeah, it wouldn't be bad to take a sell right now. But like the safe thing to do is just to wait for the breakout, like
Yeah.
either side, and then take it like that. But
If it sell, y'all gonna be like, Jesus.
yeah, that's be nice right there. Ain't not gonna be a bad risk to reward. Just gotta be on it, If it do reverse and go the other way, just be ready to take that buy.
Yeah.
I don't know why my dang old mouse doing that, but it'll be something like, hold up, set it up something like that.
Well, let's go to AUD USD real quick.
AUD. Alright.
Let's see how we go. Let's see what's happening.
Ooh. USD might be ready to. See, he gonna have to break this little level for me.
Listen, so I got the retest. I got AUD coming down for a little retest, and we buying AUD USD for future guys.
I don't know why my mouse doing this.
Going
Hold up, man. You got them coming down. You gonna get in for the buy?
Yeah, I wouldn't get in right there.
No, yeah, definitely.
Actually, kind of silly, but
Yeah. So you trying to buy them right here off this?
yeah, that'll be my buy zone there.
Something like that.
Yeah. Why not technically go all the way down there, but
Oh, I see what you're saying. You gonna scale in a little bit.
yeah.
Oh, he coming around on that date on that MA.
I'm telling you.
Oh Lord, for that 4 hour.
Call it the ice cream scoop.
Man, that'll be nice if he just momentum straight out of that though. Like if he.
Sir. Yes, sir.
That'd be nice if he just momentum out like that.
We're gonna see though.
Stuff like that.
This all trades I'm taking for the week. So telling y'all from day what today is the 5th, from the 5th to the 10th. And also we're gonna hit you 30 when it we're gonna hit you 30. When we get up,
Yeah. EU, I think. Oh, he was trying to come down at first. I don't know. That's why I told you I take out.
But look, look, you know what's crazy?
That was there.
At the take profit level, I knew it was gonna drop. Bro.
Oh yes, indeed. That's why I took most of my profit. Right, that was like, cause I'm looking. I'm like, that's a whole lot of 4 hour candles just. I was like, man, I'm not about to play with him. Like,
I was at work too. I was like, man,
he can do what he want to do after this. I don't care.
That's why it's good to have those levels dictated. Because, it might come like even USD JPY, like it might still come way back up for a retest. Like, you will never know.
Are you still in UJ?
I mean, I took profit, but I got, got back
You got a
in it.
little, yeah.
It
Right.
was like, much is what I learned.
So I mean, that's what we looking at. I mean, I already know what we in for the week. I think last week we was 8-1 again. So we trying to strike again. Do the same. We can look at the indices right quick. I mean, let's look at. I don't know if everybody trade U30, but I mean we can look at it. Let's see. Oh Lord.
Yeah, you know where it's going. You know where it's going.
So I'm saying, y'all.
I didn't want to say nothing.
If y'all not trading U30,
You know where it's going.
see him. So I ain't gonna lie to you. He break this level on that 4-hour candle. Y'all might won't consider getting in that buy. I ain't gonna lie.
You might want to consider it.
I ain't even see him doing that. But I mean, if y'all don't trade U30, y'all can trade SPX, the same thing. Or the Nas, the little brother to it or whatever.
And that's like the uncle.
Yeah, he like the uncle. Yeah, right.
Man, y'all stupid, dog.
But no lie, dog. Shit, U30 look like he about to take off. I'm not gonna lie.
Real talk.
Yeah,
Hey, tell you that.
he coming around.
Y'all
Crying over here, dog.
already?
But listen, listen, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Cool. If he bring this level, y'all, I'm gonna just tell you. I'm gonna just tell y'all when I'm getting there.
That boy gone, man.
But it could also be a sell right here too. So
Yeah, it could.
we're gonna play two ways. Like it's a two-way street we can play right now.
I'm just looking at these 4-hour candles. But he is kind of dying. It depends on. I'm gonna say the next 2, 3, 4-hour candles. You gonna see.
Mm-hmm.
If it's not an engulfing 4-hour candle, come down.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
Yeah. But I mean, if y'all want to trade the little brother, let me see. He doing the same thing. I actually had that shit drawn up last week too. That's curious. So I got an alert too. I think somebody asked about it last week.
Yeah,
You know that was G.
Yeah.
I do the same thing, bro. Like, if
Yeah,
y'all do it,
same thing. He break up there, he gonna run too. Same thing. That's what we got. I mean, if y'all want to go over any more paths, I don't know this chat. I don't know nobody writing in the chat because I don't really know how to read this. Hold up.
Check the chats, man.
You said which one?
No, I was fucking around.
Oh, you said the chat turned off? Oh, man. I don't know, man. Niggas, yeah, if y'all got any more pads y'all want to touch on, we can run over them, whatever. I only focus
I
on
mean, any of the ones that we getting in, nigga, we're gonna put them in a Telegram group, like anyone.
Yeah.
So
I need, and we pretty much put them in, we draw them up, you know. If y'all, I mean, I don't know. Some people like they don't know how to view it off the drop. So I mean, sometimes we try to put in, you know, the actual take profit and stop loss too.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of hard.
Sometimes niggas be taking some bad pictures.
What bad? Oh, he talking about. Hold on. What you mean?
Shit, go back and look at some of them damn pictures y'all put in there.
Man. Okay. I was saying we gonna drop a video on understanding. Okay. So for instance, if we put this like this, they gonna since for the people that's in here. Like, okay, if we drop a picture like this, so this is our reward, this is our risk, everything we risking, right? It's your risk to reward. You got a 4 to 1. I mean a 1 to 4 risk to reward. All right, so your stop loss is gonna be this red number. That's gonna be a stop loss. The entry point is gonna be this gray number right up, and your take profit would be this green number. You know that's how it is. That's why we kind of like. I know I put in. I search.
Sometimes nigga don't even have that though.
Oh, I know what you're talking about now.
Yeah.
I mean, sometimes it be kind of fast, so it be like, man, you gotta get in right now. You'll talk about that later.
Yeah, you're right.
But I don't know. Yeah, we try and get better with that though, cause you know, be kind of tough.
Look, niggas be joked out.
Sometimes it don't have the actual numbers.
You talking about off the Mediterranean food?
No, I'm talking about the numbers like on the left side. It's like the numbers you just was going over.
Okay, but
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I gotta go see what you're talking about.
you talking about the numbers like when you click on
The level.
Yeah. To show the risk and reward, bro.
Yeah. I ain't realizing. Maybe sometimes maybe it don't. Child, man, that's what we got for the week right now. Like we said, GBP is probably gonna do their thing during London. It's gonna be about 3:30.
Y'all gonna be on?
Yeah, that's
You wanna hop on? We could.
Yeah. Might as well.
Let's hop on and scout something on GBP.
On my London session.
Yeah.
I bet you won't drop. Nigga talking to
Boy,
you.
listen.
Talking to you on GBP.
Look. It could go up. It can go up too. Let it go up.
Yeah, you can go up. I ain't tripping.
Let it go up.
Go up. Sad, man. That's what we got.
Looking good, man. Looking good, brothers.
We back on London session, man.
Yeah, man. We gonna put. I recorded this, so I'm gonna put it on the YouTube channel. You know, if y'all wanna go back and watch anything. If y'all feel like y'all missed something.
We back on London. We're trying to make some money early, about 3:30. Lord, nigga ain't even wake up yet.
Straight getting that bag, man.